Jump cuts are important, especially when you want to hide some of your talking head mistakes. But you gotta do it the right way. This is one of the takes from one of my latest videos. But this is just a good fix for now for this .8 update. And before I go, don't forget to do... But before you update, don't forget to do this. Listen, it doesn't matter who you are. It's very hard to do anything in one take. We're human, and that's okay. It's a part of the process. Of course, to fix this, we can just zoom in. I usually just use Command plus to do that. We can eliminate all the parts we don't want and this gap right here. But the thing is, for someone who moves a lot like me, it's gonna be hard to try to make that cut look seamless. There are different ways to do that, but if you want to use a jump cut, here is the trick. Composition. Yeah, the truth is, most of the time, the eyes of the viewers doing a talking head shot like this will be directed straight at the eyes of whoever is talking. It's just science. Psychologically, our eyes go toward the eyes. So what we're gonna do is to tweak the composition of this clip with the transform parameters under the video inspector here on the right. But we're gonna keep the position of the eyes around this same area right here. Let's scale up the video a little so that we can have space to move it around. And we can just move to the left, right, up and down with the X and Y axis here until it's where we want the eyes to be at. To make it even easier, I have a custom overlay here for composition. It's the rule of third grid, and I'm going to activate it. And now I can work off of that to locate the position I want. If you want to have this overlay, I put a download link in the description. It's free. You can download it. And once you download it, go back to Final Cut Pro, go to View, choose Custom Overlay, add Custom Overlay, and choose the file. And you should be good. To apply it, go back to View and click on Custom Overlay. There we go. You can see it right there. Now you can move this clip around until you're satisfied. My head is a little tilted right around this corner right here before the next clip, so we're gonna have to move it right there. And check this out. But this is just a good fix for now for this .8 update. But before you update, don't forget to do this, just in case you need that Final Cut Pro version you are currently using. Check it out. Much better transition, much better. Composition is a really good way to get and keep your viewers' attention. Plus, when you have different clips in your sequence, you can also use it to tell stories in different ways. But that's for another video. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you got any value from this one, check out these other videos for Final Cut Pro users, and I will see you guys in the next one, hopefully. Peace.